Capital letter A for aeroplane means हवाई जहाज. B for banana means केला. C for cat means बिल्ली. D for duck means बतख. E for elephant means हाथी. F for fish means मछली. G for grapes means अंगूर. H for hockey means hockey. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite means patang. L for lion means शेर. M for mango means आम. N for nest means घोंसला. O for onion means प्याज. P for parrot means तोता. Q for question marks means question mark. R for rabbit means खरगोश. S for school means विद्यालय. T for train means रेलगाड़ी. U for umbrella means छाता. V for vegetable means vegetable सब्जियाँ. W for watermelon means तरबूज. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht means yacht. Z for zoo means चिड़ियाघर. Thanks for watching. You may subscribe my channel.